Guru Sai Namo Namo.
Om Sai Ram. How to read sacred history of Sri Sai Satcharita. Reading of this sacred history produces desired results, so it is recommended to surrender all disturbances, ego, physical or mental affiliations at Sai Baba's feet and then start reading. Sacred spiritual book Sri Sai Satcharita is considered as holy as Bhagavad Gita, Ramayana, Quran. Even though there is no hard and fast rule to read sacred text Sri Sai Satcharita, but it is desirable to read it by sitting in shrine at your home. Parayan can be started from any day of the week and completed on 7th day, but generally it started from Friday so that 7th day happens to be Thursday. First of all, the place where you wish to Parayan must be cleaned and made tidy. Lamp must be lit in front of Sai Baba's idol or photograph. Lighting a lamp marks Sai Baba's presence. Also, it is desirable to light incense stick or dhoop, thus purifying the atmosphere. It is general practice that while doing any worship, devotee do not sit on floor directly. It is advised to first place a small mat or cloth on the floor to sit on it. The same applies here too. It is up to devotee's discretion to offer any food as prasad. After reading each day, 2 coins can be kept in Sai Baba's feet. Coins can be of any denomination, but they can be considered as Shraddha and Saburi. At the end of Parayan, the amount thus gathered can be donated or kept in Sai temple hundi, or prasad can be distributed, which is purchased from the same money. Every day's reading can be concluded by Aarti in the evening. If it is not possible, then at least Aarti must be sung on last day. If devotee wishes, they can offer sweet dish or Naivedya to Sai Baba for all 7 days. Otherwise, Naivedya can be offered on last day of Parayan. If this is not possible, at least ready-made sweets from market can be offered as prasad. It depends upon devotee how they read chapter allocated for each day. Chapters can be divided as per their convenience. It can be read out to sick or old devotees if they are not in condition to sit by themselves and read. Also, it is read out before children and stories are explained to them in simple language. Seeds of devotion can be sown in tender age only. Om Sai Ram, Jai Sai Ram.